Hello, dear friends on YouTube. I think I have a new introduction of myself or of the video. Anyway, yesterday I made a rather lengthy video about this beautiful small OTF knife. I will talk about it towards the end of the video. So, I wanted to show you another way of using the MagScroll. Here we have still the, oh, where is it? I can't see the depth of the MagScroll with volume, but it's actually the scroll code, but in VLC at the moment it's changing volume. And anyway, I wanted to show you the video seek function that I uploaded on this, and I changed the knob and the color, so it's black and blue now. Looks also rather nice. And I have a code for YouTube where you can seek the video and mute the sound while you're doing it, and I made one for Windows Media Player, and now I made one for VLC. I also have a very dear customer of mine who wants to pledge for the MagScroll for video editing, and I asked him, he did not answer on that, but if he has any specific shortcuts or key combinations that he has for his video editing software, I can accommodate that, since I did now have 3 different codes for the video editing or seeking. So without further ado, I don't want to make this too long. Once you start your video, for example, and as soon as you start to seek, you can hear my Neo clock now with the Westminster sound. So as soon as you can seek, here you see it, it does mute the sound. You can hear me talking in the video, and you can seek very fast and very smoothly, and you can see it on the bar on the bottom, forward and backwards. And this will also of course work with any other video editor as soon or as long as you can tell me which key combinations it does use, or shortcuts or macros or whatever. So this is it. As you can see, it's very versatile, and the customer of mine that I mentioned, he will actually buy 3 or pledge for 3 of them, because you think I have a big desk, he has a 3 times bigger desk than I do, several computers, several more monitors and whatnot. So anyway, yeah, you can see it's very versatile, it's very easy, it does not have detents, it's smooth, you can do it with one finger, you can go slow if you need precision, and it does not move on the table. So that's it for the MagScroll. It's gonna start next week, the campaign, yes, Kickstarter campaign, and I have a link in the description of the video where you can see it and get notified if you like it. And please share it if you see the link, you think that somebody else might can use it. Let me pause this so you only hear me once. Please do share. I can use all the word to mouth I can get, and unfortunately there are so many scammers out there that promise newsletters and this and that, and I got burned on the last one. So for this one I don't even know who I'm gonna use, or if I'm gonna use anybody, but that's it. And if you like this video and if you want to get updated, I will show other codes examples as well. I will show you how to upload code to it. It's very easy. And Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get updates. And now I want to show you, and you can also, if you want to support me, buy me a cup of coffee here. Doesn't cost much, just send me $1 or something like that, or 50 cents. Just please don't do it through YouTube, because they take 30% of the money you want to gift somebody, and I'm really 30% YouTube. What are you doing? Anyway, so back to this little guy. I actually did take off the belt clip, because first it's very tight, and I rather have this in my pocket without the belt clip. Goes on here like that. You saw it in this video, and it does add quite a bit of thickness, and that's why I took it off. And to take it off, I actually did take it apart, the knife. I didn't make a video of it. If anybody's interested and I get enough people saying please, I will do it. So once you take the screw out, you have actually two screws. This is also a screw on here, and this is just a threaded spacer. And the spacer was a tiny bit too long, so it would not tighten down the grip. So I did use my belt sander, my 2x22-inch belt sander, which I really love that machine, because oh, that must be loud, sorry about that. Oh man. What am I doing? I'm not drunk, but I think hand-eye coordination suffers a little bit. What I was saying. See, in these cases, you can use the volume knob. You can turn the volume really down real quick, because there's enough YouTube videos that have like music and whatnot, and it's very, very loud. But anyway, yeah, I did take it apart. It has only one spring in here, but the one with the two springs, that's the regular sized Hayri. This is the Hayri 2 Mini. So, and I don't think two springs would fit in there easily, and it doesn't make sense. It opens and closes so easily, and I would rather think you have two springs, because the blade is too heavy and you have problems opening up to the top, for example, or closing upside down, which you have no problem here. And did I mention that this is 1/5 of the price of the original? And I said in my video that I have an affiliate link. Actually, it's not an affiliate link, so I'm not getting any kickback, but I would really like, and Adam, you ordered one, I'm 1000% sure you will love it. And what was I gonna say? I lost that red thread. What was I going? Oh, it's not an affiliate link, so I don't get any kickback, but I would of course love my customers, my viewers, if I find a good deal, to be able to know about it and take advantage of it, because this thing is right now it's $42. There's sometimes also coupons out there for like $3 off for purchases over $29. And just if you're not in a rush, keep your eye on it, and they have many sales going on AliExpress, and you can get this beautiful knife. I tried to find a review, somebody taking apart the Mini, to see if the original has two springs or just one, but I really don't think they have two springs on a little knife like that. And it is really nice. And if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will get notified. about this little guy I will make a video of. It has a menu that will drive you nuts. Just to show you, this is actually, I think it's Android, no, Arduino based, and it has so many functions. You can, Android it's called, and if you want to pause the video, is it English? Oh, you can't even read it, it's so small. Of course it has a bigger one. It has a menu. You will need a PhD to figure that out. Oh, here's a bigger one. But it has two menus, a simple one and a sophisticated one. And even the simple one has so many features. It has like candle flickering mode and thunder mode, where this just flashes like a thunder, and it's really very neat and very easy to operate actually. Let me see, 11 minutes I can do that. One click opens, turns on, one off, and it does remember where it is, and then you can press and hold and it dims either up or down depending on where you are, and then of course it does remember that. And if you click it 2 times fast, it goes into turbo mode, and then if you click it 3 times, then you have that candle mode and whatnot, and then you can go on and on. I will tell you about that in the video. And it has a magnetic end cap, which is just plain flat, and since I'm very picky, and my wife actually ruined my night core, well, not ruined, but scratched it up pretty badly in my opinion. It has magnetic end cap, and very strong. It holds it without problems. And just to prevent any slight scratches from metal or whatever, I put carbon fiber, self-adhesive carbon fiber foil on there, just glued it on there. It will protect it from scratches, and if the scratches up, I can take it off and put another one on there. So that's what I did. That's what I actually do on some other items, like this Nightcore flashlight. I did also a wrap, so to say, carbon fiber wrap to protect the aluminum. And that's how I roll. So anyway, if you want to see this, and this is less than $30, guys. Less than $30. And it's as good as Nightcore, or what are the Olight flashlights. It's very good, and comes in different LED temperature colors, so warm light or cool light. And oh, it has built-in charging. While I'm at it, it has built-in Type-C charging. It does come with a battery, a rechargeable battery. I don't even remember if the other well, I'm almost doing a review here, right? Well, but I will do more in depth. It has a 11 milliamp battery, 18350, which is very nice. And this is how the inside looks like, if you can see it. And it came with this protection paper, so the battery does not drain. Because actually it does have a feature, the on-off button has a LED in there. What did I put the battery on? What did I do? No. Well, anyway, it has a built-in battery which is very lightly lit up, and you can see that at night. And I have this now at my nightstand facing up. If I'm funny or want the thunder, I can turn on the light, or just have see the knob or the button during the night, and I can, if I need to, grab it and use it without any problems, without fumbling and trying to find the light. So it's very nice feature. Anyway, that's that. And again, please, people, do support me on Kickstarter with these beautiful knobs. And I actually just want to try something. If I go into the code, yeah, it does scroll. So it's this the correct code on here, the scrolling code. But if you open VLC, it uses volume key shortkeys. So, but as soon as you're out there and you have it again, scrolling code. So this is it. Thanks for all your support. Please buy me a cup of coffee or just like the button. Hit the like button. Like the button. Which will help me with getting on a better stand with Google and my videos more visible. Thanks and take care, everybody.